Renowned political historian and columnist Troy Caine was laid to rest today. The funeral was held at the Holy Cross Catholic Church in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew. Mr. Caine was remembered for his wealth of knowledge on politics as well as his eye for detail as a graphic artist.
He paid attention to what was the truth, what is factual. And that is all that we can ask of someone who is a historian. And that is what he was. He was true to his craft.
I have lost a friend, an intellectual soulmate, a fellow traveler, a passionate believer in the same system of values that I hold. In closing, I will give the last word to Shakespeare through the lips of Mark Antony at Caesar's funeral. His life was gentle, and the elements in him so mixed that all the world shall stand up and say, that was a man.
Mr. Caine died suddenly on January 10. He was 71.